In this video, we will learn how to analyze and solve word problems about distance, speed, and time. Let's learn. Before we proceed, let me refresh your knowledge about the formulas for distance, speed, and time. Let us understand the relationship among distance, speed, and time using this illustration. Try to remember the position of these three elements. D or distance is on top, S is here on the first side, and T is here on the other side. Now you can interchange the position of speed and time. Either way is fine. Now to solve for D or distance, multiply speed and time. So you have to multiply these two. The formula is D equals S times time, or speed times time. To solve for S, simply divide the distance by time. The formula is speed equals distance divided by time. And to solve for time, divide distance by speed. So T or time equals D over speed. And if you want to calculate the average speed, get the total distance divided by the total time. The formula in finding the average speed is average speed equals total distance over total time. So these are the formulas that we need to use in order for us to solve problems for distance, speed, and time. Now let's take a look at this problem. Zaira cycled along central urban loop of the park connector network. She started her journey from Punggol Park at 8:50 and arrived at Toa Paya Town Park at 10:20. She cycled at an average speed of 16 kilometers per hour. What distance did she cycle? To solve this problem, let me give you some tips to make your analysis easy and fast. And here are the steps. Step 1. What are the given from the problem? Step 2. What is being asked? Step 3. How to solve the problem. And step 4. How to check your answer. Now, step 4 might not be much necessary if you don't want to check your answer. However, I put it there just in case if you want to do rechecking of your answer. To understand about the problem, begin by making simple diagram or illustration showing the given information from the problem. Let's say this yellow line is the distance between Punggol Park and Toa Paya Town Park, and the broken line up here is the speed, which is 16 kilometers per hour. We need to find the total distance. Down here, the second illustration or diagram shows the time when Zaira started to cycle from Punggol Park to Toa Paya Town Park. Zaira started cycling from 8:50 to 10:20. Now, 8:50 to 9:50, it's 1 hour. From 9:50 to 10:05, it's another 15 minutes. And from 10:05 to 10:20 is another 15 minutes. To get the total time Zaira cycled from one park to another town park, let's add 1 hour plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. So in other words, the time taken was 1 hour plus 15 minutes plus another 15 minutes. This will give us 1 hour and 30 minutes, or 1.5 hour. Now that we have solved the time for the entire journey, let's calculate the distance she traveled. Now, to calculate the distance, we are going to use the formula d times s times t, or distance equals speed times time. So let's do the calculation. D equals speed times time. The speed was 16 kilometer per hour. 16 kilometer per hour times 1.5 hour. Let's cancel the hour. This will give us 24 kilometers. Okay, so the total distance, or the distance from Punggol Park to Toa Paya Town Park, is 24 kilometers. Now, if you want to check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not, you can make use of the formula for speed or the formula for time. Since the average speed was given, so let's make use of this formula for speed. So speed equals distance divided by time. Let's substitute 24 kilometers divided by 1.5 hours. This will give us 16 kilometers per hour. And there you go. Our answer is correct.